The truck said loud, I'll wash that fire off like a cloud. First up, spray of fire red splashed right on Eggy's head. He shook his shell, gave a spin, and smiled with color back again. I'm red, I'm brave, I'm bold, like fire trucks in marigold. Blue came next with a swishy sound, splashed on Eggy all around. He danced and twirled, feeling cool, like splashing in a swimming pool. I'm blue, so calm and bright. Yellow spray came fast and sunny, made Eggy laugh, so bright and funny. With every drop he shook with cheer, like sunshine shining in. I'm yellow, happy and loud, like daisies dancing in a crowd. Came green, like leaves and trees. It sprayed on Eggy in the breeze. He wobbled once and gave a cheer. Now he's green from front to rear. I'm green, I bounce, I hop, like little frogs that never stop. Last came purple, soft and sweet, sprayed from hose to Eggy's feet. He spun around, his color grew, and smiled so wide when he was through. I'm purple, I shine like stars, from bedtime dreams to candy jars. All 5 eggs now bright and clean, smiling wide in reds and greens. They dance around and cheer with joy. No more fire to annoy. Thank you, truck, the eggs all say. You saved our shells and made our day. With colors back from head to toe, they were